Hello and welcome KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to find deals on Domino's Pizza app. But before I begin, I would like to let you know that this video is brought to you by Amazon Prime. If you shop on Amazon, you can save a lot of money by getting Amazon Prime subscription. If you want to learn more about how you can save all this money, click on the Amazon Prime subscription trial link. You can find this link in the video description. Now let's get back to the video. Like I said, I'll show you how to find deals on Domino's Pizza app. We will start by opening up your Dominos app. Once you open up your Dominos app, you can arrive on this main screen right here. Look on the upper left hand corner, we're gonna see the three horizontal line or the three lines on the upper left hand corner. Tap on those. Then you can arrive on this main screen right here. And once you arrive here, look on where it says coupons. It's all on the upper, it's like close by your name right there, where it says coupons. So make sure you tap there. As you tap there on coupons, you can arrive on this main screen right here. Then now you have like two options of finding like great deals. You can do, if you look on the upper right hand corner where it says Domino's National coupons, you can look at nationals or you can look at within your store, and you can scroll down, and that's how you find deals on Domino's Pizza app. If you have like any other questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the Amazon Prime subscription trial, as you can find in my video description. And thank you for watching.